back to Top Car Detailing. Well, back in the studio today with a Volvo. Fantastic car this. This has had some accident damage done to it basically, so this has been repaired now. So the front wing doors, the rear quarter section here and the sills. So what we'll be doing today is just machine polishing this back up. I've checked the paintwork and we'll need probably a single stage machine polish. By the way, as well, if you're looking to have your car detailed, very important, we've got the right studio set up and everything here at Top Car Detailing. When you're doing machine polishing, you want a clean, sterile environment as well, and you want to be making sure when we're doing this type of work we have all the right equipment. So that's the right pads, the polishes, and safety equipment as well in the studio environment. This on. Very important as well when we're doing machine polishing in the studio here. So we have a respirator and goggles on once I'm doing this. And also, as you will see behind me here, I have the fan as well. So where we're doing machine polishing, if there's any fumes and that type of thing, it's just getting blown away while we're doing that. Right, let's crack on, lots to do. What we're doing now, this side of the car has been freshly painted some weeks ago, so I've just done a single stage machine polish now with quite a bit of a cut to it to cut the lacquer back and give it a high gloss finish as well. So at the minute I'm just checking the vehicle over to make sure we've got rid of all them little imperfections that was in the paintwork though, so that's spot on now. So what I'm going to be doing next is applying a ceramic coating to it. So another tip as well, if you're doing ceramic coatings out there too, and you're in an enclosed environment like a studio or something like that, especially what I do here anyway, I always put a respirator on my goggles and make sure you've got adequate gloves on for using these products as well, very important. So I'll get set up now and then I'll crack on with this and I'll catch you later. You would have seen me in that short video just doing some machine polishing here in our studio and finishing the paintwork off now with a ceramic coating. See the gloss leveled out on this is truly outstanding, and as I say, Top Car Detailing, we specialise in glass and ceramic coatings for cars. So if you're looking for the right coating for your vehicle, don't hesitate, give us a call. Check out our website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk. And I've just been detailing another fantastic car, and I'm just working on the video at the moment, so that shall be going onto our YouTube channel shortly. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. And we've got more things happening in the pipeline here at Top Car Detailing, and more exciting things coming soon. Right, and I'm going to have to go now, and I'm going to have a pint of Guinness this evening and chill out for a bit. So until next time, catch you later.